Today, we will talk about how to restrict access to ITAR components in MES Production Operator Dashboard Bot using dynamic data masking. Operators use bot to work on the assigned shop order. In bot, bill of material shows different components involved, quantities and structures, and so on. Data access enforcer automate policies and procedures to filter and mask confidential ITAR components based on user citizenship and license. Policies are dynamically applied at the time of data access, so updates take effect immediately. In this use case, we would like to demonstrate how to restrict access to ITAR classified components within the BOM using NextLabs data-centric security solution. We have 4 different types of demo user. Demo user 1, who is the United States citizen, has no restrictions and can view all the BOM components. Demo user 2, who is a UK citizen and cannot view ITAR component in the BOM. Next, Demo user 3, who is a Canadian. He or she can view the BOM component, but the operation list description is masked. Lastly, Demo user 4, who is a UK citizen and has the export license, so he or she is allowed to view all the ITAR components. Here is a list of ITAR materials that an authorized user cannot view it. Let's switch to SAP system for the demonstration. One demo user 1, who is the United States citizen, tried to retrieve his or her work order and view the component list. This user has no restrictions, so he or she is able to view all the item lists within the BOM. On the other hand, when demo user 2, who is a UK citizen, tries to access the component list, he or she is not authorized to view the ITAR components in the BOM. Similarly, when demo user 3, a Canadian, tries to access the same component list, this user can view all the components, but the description of the operation list is masked. When demo user 4, a UK citizen and has the export license, tries to access the component list, there will be no restrictions. Let's look into the policy to achieve such restrictions. There is no code written in SAP server. These restrictions are driven by NextLabs policy, which are defined in the NextLabs Control Center. Restrictions are maintained on the tables, and the few are in the policy. So zero code involved here. There are 3 main components in the policy definition. Subject component is where group of users for whom the policy should be applied are not applied. In the resource component, information about the system refers to where the policy needs to be applied, and the information about the table is mentioned. And the third important component is the obligations. Within the obligations, we have different options which tell us how to restrict the data. So here, in this use case, predicate condition is used. Predicate conditions allow you to filter out the data. So this is one of the examples where we have filtered out the ITAR components to the non-US citizen. Predicate condition consists of SQL statements that restrict the data. This concludes our video on how to restrict access to ITAR classified components within a BOM in MES system. Thank you for watching.